On this video, we're going to take a look at this cable pulley system for exercising. It's a 3-in-1 pulley cable system with a lat pull-down bar, a tricep rope, 2 meters of gym cable, pro weight pulley system for pretty much lifting shoulders, triceps, or anything else at home.
So this is a pulley system. You will need, obviously, your own weight. So this is the system that allows you to work on your triceps, your biceps, overhead pulls, abdominals.
They did give you an upgrade loading pin that you stack the weights on top of it. It supports all the way up to 240 pounds of standard plates that will slide right over top of it.
Quality wise, this is on par with the better gyms out there. This nylon braided rope is actually quite thick. It's thicker than some of the ones at the gym that I've been to. This part is very important. If you ever use this, that you know that some of these are pretty small and then your grip rides off if you're using a high weight. So this is actually pretty good. It cushions the bottom of your wrist when you're doing your triceps, right? Take a look at this. This is super heavy duty. This isn't super thin. This is very, very well designed. Here's your other grip. Now, if you look at the grips, again, it's gym quality. This is actually very lightweight. Some people may like that, some people won't, but again, it comes down to the plates. Look at these handles. Like, this is legit ergonomic design as well, right? And these little ridges and these little holes ensures that you don't actually sweat a lot, right? So you're not going to lose the grip. So that's good. So these, it comes in twos right here, right? So, and then there's your rope, and then there's your clip. So your pulley system is right here, and you have a 2 meters of slack. So you take this, you feed it through this, and this is what the cable rides on. Now this, right, so you can see that the ball is not going to go through, right? So you're not going to actually hurt yourself. There you go, right? And there's your pulley system, just like that, right? And then all you have to really do is choose what you attach to any of these, right? So whether it's this one, you just clip it right on, or this, you clip this again. You take one of these, you clip it on here, and then the other hand goes to the cable, or one of these, and again, grab another one of these, and then the other hand also goes to the cable. So between all of these, you have a very basic pulley system, high quality, great grips on all these provided attachments and accessories will definitely get you the pump that you need.